This video is an overview for the installation of the WD-218 Wing Plow. The video is to be used as a general guide that, when used in combination with the installation manual, should make the installation of the plow a straightforward job. Always remember that if you have any questions about the installation, please feel free to call us at our Canton, PA facility, and one of our factory installers will be able to help you. Unpackage your plow and lay the parts out in order. First, determine the front to rear side plates. As shown, this dimension is 74 inches center to center. Next, measure from the floor to the bottom of the rear side plate. Clamp the plate in place and set to a dimension of 11 inches, plus or minus a half inch. Mark your bolt holes. Remove side plate and drill frame. Now install the side plate with the enclosed hardware. Next, repeat the same for the left rear, setting the distances the same as the opposite side. Tighten side plate in place. Next, set the height of the front side plate at 10 inches from the floor and spaced the 74 inches on center from the rear plate. Clamp in place, mark the holes, drill and bolt in place. Now go to the opposite side and install the side plate the same as the others. Next, find a location to mount the power unit bracket onto the frame. Drill the frame and mount with the enclosed hardware. Next, slide the front cross tube assembly through the side plates. Now measure 25 inches from the face of the side plate and the end of the cross tube face. Now slide the rear cross tube through the side plates and set to a distance of 28 inches, plus or minus. Now install the cross tube angle braces by bolting them to the side plates, both top and bottom sides of the rear. Repeat on the tube and side plate and tighten. Now tack weld all 4 angle plates to the cross tubes. Now slide the cross tubes out and weld the angles to the cross tubes both front and rear. Next, slide the cross tube back through the side plates. Now go to the left side and mark the hole location for the left side through bolt. Slide the tube back out and drill a 1-inch hole through both top and bottom of the cross tube. Now slide the cross tubes back through the side plates and secure with the 1-inch bolt and nut, and secure the right side angle supports to the side plates. Now set the toe lift cylinder into the front arm bracket with the pin and lock bolt. Slide the toe lift plate into the bracket and install the bracket to cylinder bolt and nut and spacer. Next, install the toe bracket with the pin and lock bolt. Now install the rear cross tube heel plate swivels with pins and lock bolts. Now, install the heel end extension and lift cylinders to both the plow end and the cross tube end. Now set the mold board assembly in place. Line up the pivot pin holes and slide the pivot pin through and secure with locking bolt. Install the heel swivel to the mold board and attach the rear hydraulic cylinder. Install the 3 trip springs into eye holes and attach the threaded eyes with adjusting nuts. Tighten adjusting nuts until the trip springs have approximately 30 thousandths or the thickness of a business card and lock in place. Finally, install hydraulic hoses from power unit to hydraulic cylinders and bulkhead connectors. Hoses and cylinder fittings are marked for easy identification.